Everyone, we are on module 13 and we are discussing in-text and exercise question of chapter 2. Question number 1. Why do HCl, HNO3 etc. show acidic characters in aqueous solution while solution of compounds like glucose and alcohol do not show acidic character? The answer is because HCl and HNO3 are acidic in nature, so all the acids produce positively or negatively charged ions in the presence of water. So HCl gives rise to H positive and Cl negative ions into the solution, and HNO3 give rise to H positive and NO3 2 negative ions into the solution. But the other compounds like glucose and alcohol do not show acidic characters and they do not dissociate into positively or negatively charged ions. So in the case of acids, so HCl and HNO3 due to H positive ions show acidic characters. Why does an aqueous solution of an acid conduct electricity? Aqueous solution of an acids conduct electricity due to the presence of charged particles called ions in it. Why does dry HCl gas not change the color of the dry litmus paper? Dry HCl gas does not give H positive ions because all the acids get dissociated into ions only in the presence of water. If there is no water, then acids may not get dissociated into ions and therefore does not change the color of dry litmus paper. While diluting an acid, why is it recommended that the acid should be added to water and not water to the acids? While diluting an acid, it is recommended that the acid should be added to water with constant stirring, because if we add water to the acid, then it is highly exothermic reaction. The container may broken down, the heat may splash out. So to avoid all this mishappening, what we have to do, we have to add acid into the water with constant stirring, so that the heat produced will get evenly distributed. How is the concentration of hydronium ion affected when a solution of an acid is diluted? So on dilution, the hydronium ion concentration decreases per unit volume. How is the concentration of hydroxide ions affected when excess base is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide? The concentration of hydroxide ions will increase when excess base is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide. But it happens to a limited extent only after when the concentration becomes almost constant. Thank you.